Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're learning amazing count function in Excel. It's your one-stop shop for getting the total number of items in your data. Have you ever need to find the total number of items in a list, the number of customers on your mailing list, or maybe even count the number of products in your inventory? The count function is here to save the day. Let's go through the practical example. Here we have a list of your favorite video game titles and its quantity. The count function can tell you how many games are on this list in a flash. Here's the formula. Equals count, bracket open, select range of cells containing your product's names, bracket close, and hit the enter. Take a look that the product names count is returned 0, so why is that? Why did the quantity count return 10? The reason behind this because count function that I am using here that only counts cells in that range that have a number. And so the product name does have text. Because of that, they are not counted. So let's see how you can find that if you count the total product name with text. This is you have to do. Equals, type count A, bracket open, select the range, close the bracket, hits the range. And here it is. The COUNTA works both on text and number. It instantly shows you the total number of games on your list. No more manual counting. By using count, you can quickly get a head count of your data, saving you time and effort. Alternatively, Excel offers a built-in feature called count, which provides a convenient way to count the number of cells in a selected range. Simply select the range of cells you want to count, and Excel displays the count number in the bottom corner of the window. Don't forget to experiment with count on your own data sets. Try counting the number of items in different categories. Thanks for watching. Remember to like, share, and subscribe for more Excel tutorials to become an Excel whiz. Until next time, happy excelling.